If you're not sure what systems or tools to use to sell your digital products or courses, host your communities, memberships, or provide coaching to your clients, or anything that has to do with products or services online, then you're in the right place. Hi there and welcome, I'm Nadia, and I am here to shed some light on all things digital products and systems for your online business. In this video, I will give you 5 essential tools that you will need to run your online business as a solopreneur and somebody who is just getting started. And tools number 4 and 5 may raise some controversy because some people may say that those tools are not essential for beginners. However, I'm going to stand by them if we are talking business here. If you're one man or one woman show that wears 17 hats throughout the day to make things work for your business, I guarantee you are not alone. That's where we all get started. I totally understand when starting something new, starting a business, or during slow seasons of your business, the money and the budget is tight. So you would not want to invest in any tools that essentially are not going to make you money. I will be sharing tools that are completely free and have plenty of functionality and features for your business, as well as some paid tools that I personally think are essential and worth the investment. So without further ado, let's get to it. And the tool number 1 you will want to use in your business is a productivity tool. Whether you provide services or want to sell digital products or create courses down the road, you will want to keep yourself accountable and keep track of all the projects you do, such as creating different services or products, courses, memberships, and all that. For this, I personally use CLOCKIFY, where I keep track of my own time to see how long it takes me to complete a specific task. This way, I can plan my workload for the day, and it also helps me with pricing my services. I also use Notion app, where I plug in all of my ideas for content for YouTube or for blog posts, or also put in ideas for my future offers for products and courses. I also have my content calendar and marketing plan in Notion as well. I use both of these tools on a free plan because they do have plenty of features and functionality for me at this time. Tool number 2 that you will need for your business is a marketing tool. Again, whether you are planning on selling digital products or courses, or you are a service provider or a coach, you will need a place to collect your leads. If you are new to a lead generation process, then watch this video where I talk about lead magnets, what they are, what they're for, and why we need them in our business. If you want to keep things simple, then number 1 recommendation for lead generation will be a platform called Kit, also formerly known as a ConvertKit. With Kit, you can build simple pages, use forms, collect leads, send emails, and even sell digital products. But if you're looking for an all-in-one platform that can host pretty much 90% of your business, I highly recommend you check out KAJABI. I have been using KAJABI personally for the last 5 years. I have my website on it. I do all my email marketing, sell my digital products, courses, I do invoicing, and so much more. What I really like about KAJABI is that it's a one centralized place for everything I need to run my online business, or majority of it. If you want to know if KAJABI is the right tool for your business, check out this video where I walk you through all of the features of KAJABI so you can make an informed decision. Tool number 3, finance tracking tool or an accounting tool. When I just started in 2020, I kept things simple and I used a spreadsheet. However, after my business started taking off, it was taking way too much time to keep everything on a spreadsheet. It took me long enough, but I did start using QuickBooks Online in 2023 when I formed my business to an LLC. QuickBooks Online has a more simple plan for sole proprietors, so if you are just starting out, that will be perfect, and it's under $20. But again, they may have some promotions that you will be able to start for even less. This way you can track all your income, all your expenses, and also send out invoices to your clients, see your profit and loss statements, and so much more. You can find all the links to all the tools that I'm describing in this video in the description box below. So tool number 4, and that is domain. Domain is the name of your website, essentially of your business. Although you do not necessarily need a domain to use a marketing tool such as Kit or KAJABI, this is where a growth of your company or a personal brand starts. By having a domain, you'll be able to connect a website, share it with your audience. You can start building reputation for your domain and also as an email sender. And essentially down the road, you will become more recognizable and memorable in the industry. I personally use GoDaddy to purchase all of my domains. I love their security features and customer service. You can purchase a domain for $1 or $2 for your first year, and it's a really great investment in your business. And finally, tool number 5 is a professional email and a content management system. And by content management system, I simply mean Google Drive. If you're already using Gmail, then most likely you're familiar with their product suite, which is Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and folders. The next step is to create a professional email. This can be something like info@yourcompanyname.com. It also can be your name or hello or support or something like that. To get your professional email, just visit solositesolutions.com/Google and sign up for your 14-day free trial, where you can explore even more Google features, and it will only cost you around $6 to $7 per month to have a professional email. So what do you think about all of the tools that you've heard in this video? I would love to know about the tools that you already use in your business, or maybe you have questions about some other tools, so be sure to leave a comment under the video. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!